Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we are going to show you how we can download, install, and play Roblox on any of our windows. So let's just jump right in. Open up your browser for that and we can start by downloading up the Roblox. So you can head over to the official site of Roblox, which is roblox.com, and log in with your account if you do not have one, or you can sign up if you do so. And once you are logged in, you can pick up any of the game that you would like to play. So you can just go over and select one of the game. For example, this one right here, 99 Nights in the Forest. And once you select the game, you should be finding a play button. You can just go over and wait for the play button to load up and select this option right here. And once you do so, Roblox will detect if you have the application installed or not. So if you do not have, you can select this option of download Roblox. I already have, so I'm just gonna open up my game client for that. You can look out for this option of Roblox download and install the Roblox. This will give you a file called Roblox Explorer.exe. So you can just go and download it, and once the application is downloaded, you may just go over and open the application of Roblox, this one right here. And if you have not logged in into this account, you can log in with your account, and after the installation complete, once you log in into your account, you should be directly redirected to the game into the game which you chose from your browser. So you can just go over and do so. Or if not that, once you open up the application, even in the application, you just need to select up the game that you would like to play. There are a bunch of games available. You can do so. You can even play with your friends. You can add connections in the games. You can select the game and look out for the play button on your screen, and you can just go over and press any key on your keyboard like space to jump, W to walk, move around. You can use your mouse for that. And that's it, everybody. That's how we download and play Roblox on any of our windows. So if this video was helpful to you, make sure to like the video and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.